Alright, now I'm going to be starting on this Rototiller project, see if I can get it running. So it's a Sears roto-spader from 72 with a Tecumseh engine. Not sure how many horsepower it is. Finally got my fuel tank. Hopefully I can make it fit onto here. I've already changed the spark plug. I think it's the Champion CJ8. The old plug was really fouled up and shorted. I'll try to show you here. I doubt this would even allow the engine to fire. The spark's probably more likely to just go down the center electrode part than to actually jump the gap well enough. Alright, so here's this Tecumseh tank I bought. It's plastic, but it's got these little tabs on it, so I'm hoping it'll fit into these corresponding looking little things on the front. It actually seems to fit. I'm not sure if it screws on or if it needs to, but I'm pretty amazed that it fits. So that should hopefully be good enough to not come off. Because I'm not sure where you would screw it in necessarily. That's pretty nice, and then I can just run the fuel line down under here. I've also got some other parts in the box. Got inline fuel filters. Not sure if they're entirely necessary. I think I also had a shut-off valve somewhere in here. Don't know if this is entirely necessary either. And the spark plugs I bought are Champion CJ8. And I got some gear oil to try to lube the mechanism. And some hose clamps for the fuel line. All that kind of stuff. Let's get on with it. Alright, it's pretty much all together. Maybe not the prettiest job to some people, but it's pretty by my standards, like the neatest I can get it. Now here's my fuel cap. I'm not sure what this top little vent part is for. Now I just need to throw some gas in it and see if it'll start and stay running. Well, my gas can is empty, so I'll probably have to rob some gas out of my mower here. Oh man, I knew this would be a struggle without spilling it everywhere. Alright, that's it, I think. I gotta clean up all the spilled gas. Alright, I have no idea if this thing is gonna start up or stay running. Gotta set this to choke. Throttle cable's still good here. Pulls these linkages here from the carb and the spring over here. Oh, in addition to changing the spark plug already, I also took off this carb bowl and it's clean. In the bottom of the carburetor bowl, it's adjustable. And of course you've got the idle mixture screws for the high and low speed. So I'm not sure if those will need adjustments depending on how well this thing runs. Alright, I've also checked the oil. It looks fairly clean, so I'm not sure if someone was in the process of getting this thing to run or if it was running in recent years. But let's see what happens here, if it'll even fire up. So choke, it's got a slow and a fast after it starts, if it starts. Really don't know. if it will. I don't know if I should take this air cleaner off. I think this is a wet filter though, with oil in it. She just died. Oh boy. But yeah, then there's like this main jet at the bottom. I'm hoping this filter isn't restricting the fuel flow too much. Let's try putting more gas in it to see if it'll fire up again. I have no idea. call that good for now. Just killed itself, kind of. Yeah, I don't know if it needs cleaning or what. It seems to be running like mostly okay, even though I'm not an expert with this, so I don't necessarily want to be messing around with the mixture screws unless I feel comfortable doing so. But seems like it's at least starting up and running and driving the tines. So anyway, the memory card's almost full, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks everyone for watching, and bye for now.